In this video, I would like to share about frequency distribution. What is frequency distribution? Frequency distribution means representation either in graphical or tabular format is called frequency distribution that displays the number of observations within a given interval. Frequency distribution is presented through tables, charts, graphs, and diagrams. Let us see about tables, general principles of tabulation, and parts of a table. Tables. A table presents data in concise, systematic manner from masses of statistical data. It gives lot of information clearly and in few words in organized manner from a large number of data. Tabulation is the first step before data is used for further statistical analysis and interpretation. Analysis means examination, interpretation means explanation. Before going to examination and explanation, tabulation is the first part. Next, it is a systematic presentation of information contained in the data in rows and columns in accordance with some common features and characteristics. Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical arrangements. Here is the example. Rows are horizontal marked as pink. Columns are vertical marked as blue. See general principles of tabulation. A table can be simple or complex depending upon the number of measurement of single set or multiple set of items. So maybe the table may be simple or it may be complex. There are certain general principles must be kept in mind while designing a table. Let us see one by one. First one, a table should be precise, understandable and self-explanatory. Precise means accurate and it can be easily understood by everyone and there is no need for explanation. Second one, every table should have a title which is placed at the top of the table. The title must be describe the content clearly and precisely. Third one, items should be arranged in alphabetically or according to the size, importance or causal relationships. Fourth one, rows and columns to be compared with one another. Fifth one, the item in each column and row should be defined clearly and fully. Sixth one, the unit of measurement must be clearly stated. Seventh one, percentage can be given in parenthesis. Parenthesis means bracket. It helps the reader attention to the fact that the figure is the percentage and not an absolute number. Eighth one, total can be placed at the bottom of the columns. Ninth one, reference symbol can be directly placed beneath the table for any explanatory footnotes. 10th one, 2 or 3 small tables should be preferred to one large one. 2 or 3 small table instead of one large table. Next, parts of table. A good statistical table must contain the following parts. Table number, title, head notes, captions and stubs, body of table, footnotes and source note. This is the table number, table 4.5. Next, title. Every table must have suitable title. A title should be brief and concise and describe the content of the table. The content of the table should be self-explanatory. Let us see head notes. Head notes is given just below the title in a prominent type, usually enclosed in brackets for further description of the content of the table. Stubs are the headings for horizontal rows. Let us see captions. Captions are the headings for vertical columns. Next we move on to body of table. Arrangement of data according to description given in the form of captions and stubs form the body of the table. These are all the body of the table. Next, source note. Source note is used when secondary data is used to mention the source from which data for the table or table itself retrieved. Then footnote, when some characteristics or item of the table are not adequately explained, footnotes are used to explain those items. Table number, title of the table, head notes, stubs. This one is captions, body of the table, source note, footnotes. Number. It should be placed at the top of the table. Title. Every table must have a suitable title. A title should be brief and concise and describe the content of the table. The content of the table should be self-explanatory. Head notes. Head note is given just below the title in a prominent type, usually enclosed in brackets for further description of the contents of the table. Head notes enclosed in bracket is given just below the title. Caption and stubs. Captions or heading for vertical columns. Stubs or headings for horizontal rows. Caption, vertical columns. Stubs, horizontal rows. Next we move on to body of table. Arrangement of data according to description given in the form of captions and stubs form the body of table. The description given in the form of captions and stubs form the body of the table. Next, footnotes. When some characteristics or items of the table are not adequately explained, footnotes are used to explain those items. That is called footnotes. Source note. Source note is required if secondary data is used in the data. It is not collected directly by the user. It is a second-hand information. It is retrieved from other data.